Hey, it's Eric with Sprucehill Custom Homes and Renovations. Today is August 31st, and here is the update for our Lynn Valley custom home build. Since I've been gone, the hardwood floors have mostly been installed on the main floor. The siding guys have continued to get their work done, and the masons have come and done their scratch coat for the masonry inside and outside of the home. Let's go have a look and see what's been done. So let's have a look and see what scratch coat is. This is what the masons put onto the home that is used to apply the stone in the future. The siding guys have obviously got this work done. It's kind of a custom corner piece. Well, it's not custom. It's something that you can get out of the box. But I like these corners because the hardy slides up in behind it and it leaves a really nice finished product. I'll show you an example of that in another video. But that's what's been done on the front of the house here. Let's go and have a look at the floors. So this is what the inside of the house is looking like. It becomes more echoey and echoey as we put more surfaces in here that reflect sound. But that'll change once we get cabinets and furniture in here again. You can see anyways, the flooring is all in on the main floor. These guys have done a tremendous job. We have been partners with Ethical Flooring for many years now. We are always impressed with the quality of the materials they use and the people that they use to install it as well. So I just thought I'd show the attention to detail that our trade partners use when we're doing our floor installs. So you can see here, this piece of board has a back bevel on it. What our installer is trying to do is get it so that when this piece of flooring goes in, you get a perfectly flush transition from tile to hardwood. This isn't complete yet. He's still working on it, but once this is done, and I'll take another video to show the finished product, this piece of hardwood will sit perfectly flush with the tile. Right now, if I run this tape across, I can't get it past. When I do that next time, it'll run perfectly across it. And hey, while we're here, why not have a look at this awesome tile work that's been done? Our tile setter is second to none. This guy is amazing. We're so lucky to work with him. I'm not going to say his name because I don't want him to get any busier than he already is. He knows who he is, and we love him.